Hi guys, welcome to Cartex, and it's here, the 3.2 software on, in this case, the ID.Buzz. Lots of ID cars will get the new 3.2 software on the infotainment system and the car itself. So some minor upgrades, not that much to tell, but some little things. At first, the DC charging speed is increased to 170 kilowatt hours for the 3.2 software, so a bit quicker than the 150 or 135 in the last cars, so a bit quicker charging and less waiting. Also, the new plug and charge function is getting better. Works with some more charging points, especially IoT works really good now. It's only plugging in the charging cable and it instantly start charging the battery, so a bit better, bit more stable and quicker in acceptation with the charging cable, so also a bit quicker on your destination. Also new, the navigation system works now with an e-route planner instead of the normal navigation, so it's working better with charging points. Also you can select if you would like to DC charge or AC charge the car and which DC charging points you want to have, so you can also get it a bit different. You can show the range on your navigation screen. Charging points you can now select, so it's a bit more stable and works better with the charging points en route, so less waiting and more driving fun. Also new on the 3.2 software is the personalization for the charging points en route. You can choose now how long you can charge at some different points, so you don't have to wait unnecessarily long at a charging point. So if you like to charge it for 10 minutes or 15 minutes, the car will keep in touch with you, so you can charge a bit less long and don't need to wait unnecessarily, and quicker to get to your destination. Also, the voice control is getting better on the 3.2 software. It's as Volkswagen says, premium level now, so works a bit better. You can still use the same commands as on the older software versions, but I think it listens a bit better now and the functions work a bit better, so hopefully this will get more stable and more easy to use. Also new, but I can't find it, Spotify and Apple Music button on your display. It must be in the shop somewhere, but I didn't find it at the moment. Maybe in Holland it works a bit slower or something, but I couldn't find it. I have seen some pictures of it working and some videos of it, but if it works I will get to you. And guys, I've lost something. The games are gone. Really like them in my ID.4, so it makes waiting when charging a bit easier, but they're gone. So don't know what happened to them, but maybe they'll come a bit later. So some little upgrades compared to the 3.1 software. It's working really quick. The infotainment system works a bit quicker. Like if you push a button, something happens instead of you need to wait. Also at the 3.1 software that was a bit better, but it's getting even better on the 3.2 software. So I'm really curious what the 3.3 software or something compared to that will be. So let's wait. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share, and until next time guys.